Got one. Oh, I gotta get my net out. Oh my God, that's a nice one. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, oh. Oh, got him. All right, come on, fly rod, don't you fail me now. Snagged, wow. Does not happen very often. And I'd like to not lose this fly. Yeah, screw this. I need to troll for a while and figure out where they're at. And then I'll concentrate my casting. Got one. Nope, that was bottom. Fish in here for sure. It's trout looking marks. Just a matter of time. This is not a drill. Got something. Really? Really, dude? Oh my God. It's a tiny trout. Oh, come on, bud. Tiny regular trout, I should say. Not even gonna use the net on him. There he is. Just a little dude. Little bow. Bam. Say out of the camera, little guy. My fish finder shut off. That's cool. The battery's dead as hell. How did that happen? Wow, well, no fish finder today. You know what? Oh, got one. Oh, he's angry. Oh, the little fly did it. What do we got? This might be a Gila. I think we finally got a Gila. Yep, I think, maybe. No, it's a rainbow? It's a bow. It's another bow, dang it. Oh, jangles. Not a bad sized bow though, honestly. Oh! Yeah, he's still got some fight left in him. Oh, nope, oh. Line's wrapped. This ain't good. Don't get stuck around my anchor, please. Whatever you do, don't do that. this ain't a bad rainbow at all. Solid 12, 13 incher at least. Right in the top of the mouth. Let's see if I can do this. Bam. Got our little bow. And bloop. Here you go. Well, I think the little fly's gonna do it. That's gonna happen. Now we're talking. I had to ditch the shoes too. Oh, just don't hook your foot. Got one. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, he's fighting. Oh, we might have something nice, maybe? Probably just another rainbow. Oh, he's going. Just not, I haven't even seen him. Just not even having part of my, big ol' Gila. Oh my God. Oh my God, here we go. Here we freaking go. Oh, I gotta get my net out. Oh my God, that's a nice one. Yes, here we go. The fish I've been waiting for. Oh, that's sweet. Gonna take a little bit. That is a nice sized fish. Oh, it's going for a run. The laziest freaking hit ever too. Don't you dare lose him. Up, here we go. Nice gust of wind to help us catch this boy. God, I'm shaking. Shaking like a leaf. There he is. Come on, bud. Oh my God. Oh, glad I brought the net today. Usually don't bring a net because I'm catching bass. Here we go, big trout. He's a tank. Come here, bud. Ooh. He's not having this. Oh no. Oh, come on. Come on, bud. Oh, got him! Oh, still shaking like a leaf. Oh my God, look at the size of you. You aren't, oh my God, what the heck? Oh my God, just barely hooked too. Look at the size of that fish. Oh, almost lost him. This is hard, this is nerve-wracking. I don't want to like drop him. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Goodness. Look at the size of that fish. Oh, and he's gone. That was it. Oh, what? That was like an 18-inch Gila. And look what he freaking ate too. This little, I can't even remember what this thing is called. I want to call it a prince nymph or something like that. It's just a little bead-headed nymph. I'm lost for words right now. That was crazy. Oh man, that made today. It's freaking worth it.